There was a time when the Sony Walkman was the ultimate dream. That tiny music player hanging around your neck made you feel like you owned the world. But fast forward to today, and that once iconic gadget feels ancient. Why? Because of one thing. TWS, or truly wireless stereo. The tech that completely changed how we listen to music. Imagine this. No wires, no neckbands, just pure, seamless sound floating from two tiny earbuds. That's the world we live in now. So, what exactly is TWS? It stands for Truly Wireless Stereo, a clever mix of Bluetooth and mini processors built into each earbud. In simple terms, each bud has its own tiny brain, processing sound separately, but syncing perfectly to deliver rich, balanced audio. No cords, no tangles, just freedom. You can leave your phone charging across the room, take a call, or listen to music while walking around, and everything stays in sync. This is the same technology used in Bluetooth speakers that pair up for stereo sound, but packed into something small enough to fit in your pocket. Now, you might wonder how this differs from neckbands. Neckbands still use a wire connecting both buds, and one processor splits audio between them. TWS, on the other hand, gives each earbud its own processor, syncing the sound wirelessly between both sides. That's why they're so good at eliminating lag. Maintaining stereo balance and near zero delay in such small devices is actually a huge technical achievement. Earlier TWS models used a master-slave setup, one earbud connected to your phone while the other synced to it, which sometimes caused signal drops. But newer TWS models use independent connections, meaning both earbuds connect directly to your device for faster pairing, fewer dropouts, and a much more stable experience. Here's where things get interesting: battery life, controls, and smart features. Modern TWS earbuds last hours on a single charge, and the tiny charging case doubles as a portable power bank, ensuring you never run out of juice on the go. They also come loaded with powerful extras like active noise cancellation and transparency mode, perfect for when you want to block out the world or stay aware of your surroundings while jogging or commuting. The controls have evolved too. Some use touch gestures, others have physical buttons, both designed to keep your hands free while working, cooking, or traveling. And while high-end models like the AirPods Pro or Sony WF series have perfected touch sensitivity, even budget options have improved massively this year, giving you smooth response and crystal clear sound. And for gamers, TWS has come a long way. Many new earbuds feature low-latency gaming modes and advanced codecs like LC3, so you no longer deal with that annoying lag between what you see and what you hear. Whether you're firing shots in a game or watching a fast-paced action movie, the sound now keeps up perfectly in real time. If you're still watching, hit that like button. It really helps the channel and tells me you love deep dive tech videos like this. Now let's talk competition. Brands like Samsung, Sony, Apple, OnePlus, Oppo, and Xiaomi are all fighting for your ears. Even non-phone brands like Bose, Zebronics, and Nothing are in the game, each one pushing the boundaries of design and sound. And the best part, you don't have to spend $200 to get great sound anymore. Thanks to healthy competition, even $50 earbuds can deliver powerful bass, clear calls, and amazing comfort. Before you buy your next pair, here's a quick tip. Focus on 3 things: battery life, Bluetooth version, and codec support. These matter way more than flashy designs or marketing claims. A good Bluetooth version means faster pairing, better range, and longer battery life, so it's worth checking before you hit buy. So which TWS earbuds are your favorite? Drop your picks in the comments below. I'd love to know what you're using right now, and if you're planning to buy one, check the links in the description. You'll find top options like the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, Apple AirPods 3 Pro, AirPods 2 Pro, Sony WF-1000 XM5, and the Bose Sport, all with fast delivery and easy payment options. Core audiophile, or just love good sound on the go, there's a TWS out there with your name on it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.